The next topic is sources of capital. Capital means funds or loans. Okay, for any activity, any business activity, every businessman requires funds to start up that business. Okay, so what will be for a farmer? What will be the sources of those funds? Okay, these sources can be formal or informal. Formal sources can be bank, which charge less rate of interest. Informal sources of credit can be money lenders, relatives, friends, and usually money lenders. Money lenders, they charge high rate of interest. Okay, small farmers need money for production activities, so that is why they rely mostly, because the people are not so educated, they are not aware about the activities of the formal sector or the bank. Okay, so that is why small farmers in times of needs, they obtain capital from large farmers. Why so? Because large farmers have their savings to give as loan to small farmers, and in that case large farmers, they charge high rate of interest. Okay, and what are the factors of production? What are the things that are required to start a production activity? Factors of production are land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. In easy language you can understand it as businessman. Okay, these factors of production are paid something in return. Okay, how are these paid? To use land we pay rent, to use labor we pay wages, to use capital we pay interest, and businessman he gets the profit. Okay, labor is most abundant factor. Okay, there are less job opportunities, but the number of workers are more. So in times of lack of work opportunities, the wages paid are very less. Okay, and gathering all these factors of production starts. Production of crops, production of goods starts, and when crops are ready, then crops are harvested, and part of these crops is kept for domestic consumption by the families, and if they have surplus yield, surplus production, that part of production is brought to the market for sale. So production can be treated in two types. Okay, one part of production is kept at home for domestic use, and other part of production, if they have surplus, that is brought to the market for sale. So this is how production activities start, by using these factors of production, and this factor of production can be obtained from these two methods, and by gathering, who gathers first three factors of production? This last factor, businessman, is also a factor. Businessman gathers all these factors and he starts the production. When production is over, he finally sells the goods into the market.